Apple lobbies for India incentives as it plans iPad assembly. Report, Times of India. Call of Duty, Black Ops Cold War Season 2 cinematic trailer revealed, Thewistle. NASA's Perseverance rover, sporting the latest bells and whistles, set to land on Mars today, cbc.ca. Enjoy more immersive S Pen and audio experiences on your Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus with the latest device updates, Samsung Global Newsroom. Huawei Mate X2 teaser hints at new folding screen design, The Verge. Realme sets launch date for 2021 Snapdragon 888 flagship, Android Authority. DNS provider Quad 9 moves to Switzerland, GHACS Technology News. Panasonic Toughbook 33 now shipping with Intel 10th Gen V Pro processors to succeed the older Kaby Lake options, Notebookcheck.net. MWC Barcelona expects to host 50,000 attendees with COVID-19 testing and restrictions, GSMArena.com News, GSMArena.com. Redmi Note 10 series specifications revealed ahead of its India launch, latest L1.